Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you for clicking in. So today I'm bringing you this nice equation that I want us to solve for the value of x when given x to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 2 is equals to 100. So we are going to get the value of x that satisfy this equation. So our first step, we are going to bring this 100 to our left hand side. So this will be x cubed minus x squared minus 100 is equals to 0. Okay, our next step, we're going to look for the nearest cubic number to 100. So nearest cubic number to 100 is 125. Therefore, this will be x cubed minus x squared minus 125. So what do we do to 125 so that we can get 100? So this is negative 100 and this is negative 125. So we are going to add 25. So if you take this, we are getting negative 100 is equals to 0. Okay, so our next step, we are going to take this and x cubed. We take this and x squared. So this is what I mean. X cubed minus 125 minus x squared plus 25 is equals to 0. Okay, our next step, 125 we can write it as 5 cubed. So this is x cubed minus 5 cubed, which is 125, minus x squared. 25 we can write it as 5 squared. So plus 5 squared is equals to 0. Correct? So you can see what we formed. So this is nice. So this is our perfect cube and this is a difference of 2 squared. So we are going to solve them using the identities. So we'll begin by this, whereby if you have a cubed minus b cubed is equals to bracket a minus b bracket a squared plus ab plus b squared. So we are going to express this in this form, and therefore this, our a here is equals to x, our b is equals to 5. So a minus b, so this is x minus 5 bracket a squared, so this is x squared plus ab, so 5 times x, so this is 5x plus b squared, so this is 5 squared bracket minus x squared plus 5x is equals to 0. Correct? So this is a difference of 2 squared. We're going to solve it using this identity. If you have a squared minus b squared is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So we are going to simplify this expression, then use this identity. Therefore, x minus 5 bracket x squared plus 5x plus 5 squared bracket. So we are going to take negative 1 outside the bracket, and then this is x squared minus 5x is equals to 0. So we've simplified this. So we are going now to use this identity to solve this. So x minus 5 bracket into x squared plus 5x plus 5 squared gives us 25 bracket negative 1. Then we are going to express this in this form. So this will be x plus 5 bracket x minus 5 is equals to 0. So by doing so, x minus 5 is common. You can see it is on this side and this side. So we are going to factor it out. X minus 5, this will give us x squared plus 5x plus 25. We are going to evaluate this. So this will be minus x minus 5 is equals to 0. So let us solve this. X minus 5 bracket x squared plus 5 not 5. So we are taking 5x minus x, so this will be 4x. 25 minus 5, so this will be plus 20 is equals to 0. So we'll have two solutions. X minus 5 is equals to 0. And then this quadratic equation here, we are equating it with 0. X minus 5, so this is equals to 0. X squared plus 4x plus 20 is equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. To get the value of x here, we are going to take negative 5 to the other side. So x is equals to 5, and this is the first value of x. So we are going to solve this quadratic equation using discriminant formula, whereby delta is equals to b squared minus 4ac, whereby a is the coefficient of x squared, which is 1, b is the coefficient of x is equals to 4, c, we are taking this constant here, which is 20. So we are going to express these values in our formula. So delta is equals to b squared, which is 4 squared. 4 squared minus 4 into a, which is 1, c, which is 20. So delta is equals to 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times 20, this is 80. Delta is equals to 16 minus 80 gives us negative 64. So negative 64 is less than 0. So we are going to reject this. Negative 64 is less than 0. So this will not give us a real situation. It will give us imaginary values. So we are going to reject this because no real solution. So we have x is equals to 5. Let us check to confirm whether this is our real value or whether it satisfies our equation. So our initial equation was x to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 2 is equals to 100. Our x here is 5, so we are going to substitute x with 5 in this equation. So 5 cubed minus 5 squared is equals to 100. So let us see if this will give us 100. So 5 cubed is 125 minus 5 squared, which is 25, is equals to 100. So 125 minus 25, this gives us 100 is equals to 100, which is true. So our left hand side and our right hand side are the same, meaning x is equals to 5 satisfies our equation, and this is our real value. So the second method to solve this equation, we can begin by factoring out x squared. So this is x squared into x cubed divided by x squared. This gives us x minus 1 is equals to 100. So our next step, this 100, we can write it as 25 times 4. So this is x squared into x minus 1 is equals to 25 times 4. We'll then equate x squared with 25. Then take what is in the bracket, equate it with 4. X squared is equals to 25. Then x minus 1 is equals to 4. So to get the value of x, x is equals to taking negative 1 to the other side, 4 plus 1. X is equals to 5. So x is equals to 5. And on this side, to get the value of x, we're going to square root both sides. So square root of x squared is equals to square root of 25, whereby this square will cancel with the square root. X is equals to plus or minus 5. So for this case, we'll have two solutions. So x is equals to positive 5, which is the same as this, and x is equals to negative 5. So we've already verified and we know that x is equals to 5 satisfies our equation. So this is correct. We now want to check and confirm whether x is equals to negative 5 satisfies our equation. So our initial equation is x cubed minus x squared is equals to 100. So let us replace x with negative 5. So this is negative 5 cubed minus into bracket negative 5 squared is equals to 100. So negative 5 cubed, this will give us positive, this is negative 125, sorry for that. So this is negative 125, then we have minus, so negative 5 squared will give us positive 25 is equals to 100. So negative 125 minus 25, this is negative 150 is equals to 100. So negative 150 is not equal to 100. So we are going to reject this because this is not true. So this is not our real value. So we are going to reject it. So x is equals to 5 is our real value using this method too. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye bye. See you in my next video.